Hello everyone, this is my review of JUIN Personalized Customized Doormats. You can order your doormat on here and customize it to however you want with your own picture and your own personal phrase on there if you want. You just press the customize button and it takes you to the screen where you get to upload your picture. Then once your picture is uploaded, you can go down to the bottom and put in your own personal message, your text, and you get to choose a little bit of the font and also the color that you want your font to be in. Then you just click add to cart and order it. It takes a little while to get made, but it still comes pretty quick. Matter of fact, it was delivered way before the delivery due date, and it came out exactly how I designed it on the customized website. So it looks good, and I hope this review helps.